Okay, wow. So this is going really nice. Let me see if I can ride this car. Okay, triangle to ride. Oh yeah, it works perfectly fine, guys. The controls are really good. Okay, wow. So whenever I hit someone, I am getting that nice little haptic feedback in the controller. This. So one thing that I really like about this new model is that it will use a lot of specialized sub agents which will handle specific tasks. So you can see there is a sub agent for the airstrip aviation, then there is a sub agent for the marine gameplay, similarly for the world detail, for the game mechanics and so on. In this video we are going to be reviewing this new lineup of chat GPT models, which is GPT 5.6. This time they have released three different variants of the model. Sol is supposed to be the most powerful, then Terra is the balanced model for everyday work, and then Lula is the most cost efficient, smaller models. This is the official benchmark for agents last exam. On the x-axis we can see the API cost in the increasing order. On the y-axis we have the scores. We can see these models, the orange colored models are the anthropic ones which are extending towards the far right. This means that they are really costly. The new family of 5.6 models, we will see that they are not only cost effective but also scoring really high. So we will be doing our own testing. We will be pushing the GPT 5.6 Sol to its limit and we will be creating a GTA clone. So we are already seeing some pretty impressive results in the community where this particular OpenAI employee is claiming that GPT 5.0 Sol in ultra reasoning has solved a 50-year-old problem. This is the cycle double cover conjecture using 64 sub agents, and it did so in just under 1 hour. Now if you see the prompt and the proof that they have attached, this is the complete prompt that they have used. I can give it in the description as well. So one of my favorite lines in this prompt is this right here, where it says that spend at least 8 hours on this before even thinking of returning or giving up. Now when you spend 8 hours on a problem and solve it in the next hour, you cannot exactly say that the problem has been solved in under 1 hour. So this is the proof that they have attached. Now I don't claim to understand any of this, but when I searched for this particular problem just to understand what it was about, I did see that around 3 hours ago this particular Wikipedia entry was updated. We can see that on July 10th, OpenAI released a preprint claiming a positive resolution of the conjecture. Now, conjecture is something which is a hypothesis which has not been proven yet. So once this proof become formally recognized, this will become a theory instead of just a conjecture. At this point of time, we have seen a lot of AI generated website and it takes like a few seconds to understand that this has been generated by the AI. It's the same purple gradient, it's the same overuse of emojis and so on. But here we are seeing something fresh and something new. So I think this might be the time when OpenAI models are finally good at UI design. This is a tweet by Matt Schumer, who is a renowned figure in the AI space. And he is calling out GPT 5.6 Sol for deleting all of the file on his Mac. And here is the screenshot that he has attached. You can see that it has accidentally ran the rm-rf command on the user's directory. Now, this is not just a one-off thing. Here is another user with 300,000 followers. He says that just straight up deletes the files it's working on with and then panics about recovering them. So yeah, we thought that we had solved this kind of issues long back, but seems like it is coming back again. So I would recommend that whenever you are working with this particular model, not to run it in full access. Instead, use the ask for approval or approve for me permissions. Now some things have changed here. You will see that there are a whole new options about 5.6 family of model. For this experiment, I had selected 5.6 Sol, and then the reasoning effort, I had selected to Ultra. And for the speed, I have selected standard because frankly I can wait for some time. I wasn't in a hurry, but if you are in a hurry, you want faster response, you can select fast. Remember that when you go for a faster response, it will consume more usage. So I wanted a prompt to be very open ended. I just want to see what it does out of the box. So I didn't want to be very specific. My prompt was build a GTA clone with all the core game mechanics, use internet to fetch or create assets if needed. So the first version that I got is really basic and has like a top view similar to how we have in the GTA 2. So I gave it another set of follow up saying that, hey, can you make it 3D? And the result was much better. You can see I can move around. There are this 3D buildings and There is this character which is moving around. Now this is definitely better. Let me open the game and see how it is. Okay, so it says like sun bleached port meridian 3D. Okay, you have your basic controls here. Let me start. Okay, this is okay. See, there is a hit sound. I can see a person walking here. This is me. Awesome. There are cars here. I can pick up this diamond, which is armor. Okay, so yeah, I really like the mini map here. It's sort of rotating as I turn around. It is asking me to steal the coral sports car. Oh, here is the sports car. Just looks like a matchbox, but that's fine. Okay, what do I have to do now? Deliver the car to the Mariner Pier. Okay, seems like it is just round the corner. Ah, so here we have the glowing orbs. Okay, it was a setup. Okay, it was a setup. Survive the heat. Let me run. You can see the sirens. The police vehicles are following me. Wow, wow. They are pretty persistent. Okay, heat cleared. $2,500. Find my cache offshore. Okay. Wow, this is a park area. This car makes a lot of sound. So let me go back to the sea. Yeah. See, I am. This is how the character swims. That's fine. The camera angle is slightly broken here. It is stuck to the character. Okay, it says stop moving to recover. Okay, so I have a swim stamina here as well, which is recovering as I am standing still. Okay, I'm in the boat now. Ah, there is a sailboat. I really like this sailboat. Let me try this once. And wow, it's definitely slower. Oh wow, there is a seagull which is flying. This looks really beautiful. It did a good job in adding like details here and there. See, these kind of small things add a lot of difference in terms of realism. You can see the clouds here. You can see the seagull flying. Okay, so coming back to my mission, I have to go to the spot which is showing on the mini map. Let me come out. Okay, wow. So this person is sort of laying down here, sunbathing. Yeah, there are a few people here. Okay. Let me see where this car is going. Okay, so the next mission is that I have to go here in front of this Meridian police, and then it says that steal a Sunlands F1 from the airport. Okay, good. There is an airport. Cash. I picked up some cash. Okay. Oh wow. There is this jet. Then there are these kind of planes. These are helicopters, which definitely does not look like a helicopter. There is a runway strip. Okay, I got an wanted level just because I touched this plane. So let me take off. Come on, come on, come on. Let me take off. Yes, yes. Positive climb. Wow, this is really fast. This is really fast. See, you can see the throttle here. Let me get some altitude. Let me climb higher. Wow, see the altitude is climbing. I am at 200 meters and climbing. Uh, what a sound! I really love this engine sound that we are getting here. See the fog effect that we see as we go higher, right? Really good. And there is no performance, any kind of performance issues or lags. Now let me go down. So I have to press R to rescend. Okay. This seems to be the landing spot right here. I don't know why I'm going too fast. I need to slow down. Okay, so this was the airport where I took off. and there is a landing zone. Where is it? I think this one. No. This is the landing zone. Okay. Yes, yes, touchdown. Break with us. Okay. Clean touchdown. Exit and okay, on the tarmac. Come on, I have to meet someone. Exit the fighter and meet the courier guy. Okay, tidefall complete. Courier paid 6,000. Free room unlocked. Okay, great. I guess I'll be stealing this plane back. Requires a lot of patience. Slowly, it's turning. Wow, I got a positive climb. Let me land back at this airport. Let me land back here and try to steal something else. Okay, it was way too fast. Let me go back. Don't crash. Ah, clean touchdown. Yes. Let me get a helicopter, guys. Should fly vertically. So no need to go to the runway. Yes. Let me land in the middle of the city. Or let me land on this. Yeah, let me land on this guy. Okay. Walked right through it. Okay, so let me see what else can I do here. Okay, there is the school. Then there was a supermarket somewhere I saw. The Soul supermarket. Yeah. Let me see what. Okay, so it's like a supermarket. It's like a store. And this is the counter. Hello. Can I talk? No. Awesome. I like this car. Let me get it. Vehicle reported stolen. I have the law on my back. Run, run, run. Awesome. Heat is cooling. Luckily, this is a. Okay, so I still have. Great. So this is it for the missions. I don't think we have any other missions here. This was the full game. Overall, guys, I'm going to attach a link to this game as well so that you can play on your own. But do let me know how. Do let me know your thoughts on this particular model and if you have tried something interesting with it.